Hello friends, I am Tausif, and in today's video we are going to review a Bluetooth headphone M10 that you can easily buy within your budget. If you want good sound quality but want to stay within your budget, then these headphones can be a option for you. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Despite the low price, the headphone comes in a simple but expensive packaging. The box contains the headphones, a small USB charging cable, and a user guide. Looking at the packaging, it is clear that it is very budget friendly. The design is very simple and easy. The build quality of the headphones is budget friendly, but it is quite sturdy, and although plastic is used, there was no major problem, and since it is lightweight, there is no problem in using it. Now let's talk about the sound quality. If you don't expect a great sound from headphones, then the bass is low, but it's enough for listening to music, for talking, or for simple songs. But if you want the high quality audio, you may have to look at the other headphones. Bluetooth connectivity is good, but since the price is low, the connection can be a little disconnect at times. However, these headphones can connect up to 10 meters, which is quite good. They connect quickly and don't lag. They also provide good service in terms of battery life. They last for about 8 to 10 hours on single charge, which is about right for a budget. The charging time is not long and can be charged quickly. These headphones are quite comfortable to use, although not as expensive as expensive headphones. There was no problem with using them for a short period of time. I expected a bit more from the microphones, but it works well during calls. It's okay to call in low volume, but outside noise can be affected. However, it's not bad at the wall within the budget. Now the pros are: number one, budget friendly, battery life is good, sound is good for general use, and then last, lightweight and comfortable. And the cons are: bass and highs are not very strong, and build quality is plasticky. Now the point is, if you want a cheap headphones which is for everyday use, then this headphones is good option. However, if you want high quality, then you might need a little more budget. But within this budget, it is quite useful and effective. Today's video is here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can give your opinion in the comments. Thank you.